Okay, so hey guys, I'm starting off using the 20D INV lashes that I got off Amazon. Then I'm going in with this really cute pink fan. I love it so much because it works really good. It's so cute. Then I'm going in with the INV lash glue. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box so you guys know where to get it. Then it's these things, I don't know if they're called, but pretty much you put the glue inside of it. As you can see in that little circle, that's where the glue go. And the last thing I'm using is my pink tweezers. So yeah, let's get. Okay, so I have to put this video first because this is the clearest part that you guys going to see. But I go in and put the lashes underneath my lash, not on top, not on it, right underneath it. Throughout this video, it's kind of going to be hard to see it because it was like hard to like record and like look in the mirror at the same time. But I feel like you guys will pretty much get what I'm doing. I just go in and put the lash underneath my eyelid, and then every time I put a lash on, I dry it so it could be dry. As you guys can see, I am placing it right under my eyelash, right under. Okay, I have to keep saying it because I heard like when you're doing it on yourself, this is the best way to do it so that you won't get like glue in your eye, because I'm not a professional or anything like that, but when I've watched videos, that's the technique I pretty much seen. If you're doing it on yourself, that it's best to do it like underneath, unless you're a pro. But guys, I had learned this in pretty much 2 days. The first time I did it, I was trying to do the method where you actually make the fans, but like I haven't got the hang of that yet, so I pretty much purchased these lashes. But it takes a lot of practice and a lot of focusing, so that's why you see me kind of like going in and out the camera, because I was trying to focus so much on doing them so I won't mess up. But the technique remains the same and you guys can do it.